requests to see what the bike sounds like. Right now, it's all stock. 2023 Streetglide Special 114 stock headers. It got the catalytic converter in it still, the stock pipes, everything is stock right now. So as you can see in here, this stock exhaust is nothing to write home about. It will get changed soon. Nothing on these bikes are cheap. So while I'm still in the break-in phase of this engine, I'm still going to keep everything factory. Once I get out of that break-in phase, then I'll start adding slip-ons and upgrades and stuff like that. So far, I'm happy with the performance of the 114 that I can tell. I'm still within those first 500 miles, so I'm still treating it like a baby, you know, not revving it up so high, not going so fast just yet. You know, I don't want to avoid any warranties that are covered because this is a brand new bike. So I'm going to follow the manufacturer's recommended procedure of this engine. Once I do fully break it in, then you'll start seeing slip-on videos and things like that. But right now I'm trying to keep the factory warranty. But enough of that, let's get back to the video.